Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So, I dropped my phone again. So since I've owned this phone, I've dropped it on pretty much every type of environment, on carpet, hardwood floors, vinyl floors, on dirt, in the grass, concrete floors, and even jagged rocks in a stream. And if you notice, I do not have a case on my phone, so there's definitely damage here. Some of the damage that I have on my phone is a hairline crack through the center or near the center of the phone. I have a lot of scuffs and scratches all around the phone. Plus on the back, one of my camera sensors is shattered. And so this phone is really beat up. But to be honest with you, I don't care. So why would I say something like that? Well, this phone called the Moto E, formerly known as the Moto E7, I got this at Walmart for around $150, and nowadays you can get it less than this and even free depending on the carrier that you have. And that leads me to my whole point today. Budget phones, even these ultra low cheap budget phones, offer you, I would say, about 90% of everything that your high-end phones do. Plus they offer you additional features such as a headphone jack and, most importantly, expandable storage via micro SD card slot that even these ultra high-end phones no longer offer anymore. And about the only things that I'm lacking in these budget phones is obviously better performance when it comes to the processing power and speed, and also you definitely get better cameras on this. And finally, you get some additional features like wireless charging or more water resistant builds. But other than that, I think for most people, having a cheap budget phone is more than enough for most people. And I really feel if you're buying something like this, you could drop your phone and be okay with that. So if you actually had any thoughts in this, be sure to leave it in the comments area below. And if you did want to see my review of this ultra low budget phone, I do have reviews on that. I'll leave that in the description area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.